Yo, what's happening? CJ Detail Guy. Happy New Year. January 6th. It's a work day. I'm actually headed to work. But today I'll be picking up patients from the paint shop. I got everything redone on the car, so she will be fresh. Take y'all with me as I go to pick up the trailer and go pick up the car. Let y'all get a good walk around in the car. But y'all see how it's looking in here. Got everything out of here except for Blue. I had to take the hood off Blue. Y'all remember Blue had a scoop, which is right there. My paint man, when I bought this, I didn't know what he did was when it came with that factory primer or whatever they call it, seal on it. All he did was scuff it up a little bit. Didn't scuff it up much. So the paint after a while started flaking off in spots up top, right there. A big one right there. So you can see we got more right there down here. But you can see how it went right back. It just flaked right off. So I'm about to get this Reese done, sand it down real good, primed up real good to get that redone. So I can put it back on. I mean, Blue look factory like it was. I mean, with everything blacked out, but she look a little beefier with that front end, looking a lot more beefier. But it is what it is for right now. I got a rider, her hind parts. This is one of the reasons why I took it off in the first place. All these scratches all over this joint. I buffed it out trying to get it to look better, but she need to be painted too, this hood. Spurred, split. I don't know what that is. I think that's something peeled off. I don't know what it is, but this the spare hood. I never threw this stuff away, so I'm glad I didn't. So I can put it right back on the truck because it is definitely something that I need to do. But anyway, I'm gonna be shooting to go pick up patients. I'm gonna go hit this job up real quick. Get this work, get this money first. Gotta do that first before I spend money. I'm gonna go get this job done, and I'm gonna go pick up patients and I hit y'all back. Yo, the CJ Detail Guy. We out here with Blue and the trailer. So we headed over now to go pick up the cutty. Once I get over there, I guess, then we'll get a good look at what's going on. But we out here, we rolling, everything's good. So let's go pick up the car. I'll be right back. YouTube, here we go, y'all. Start with the first part. Y'all know I had the hole right here. We welded and fixed that. I had the rust all on the bottom. Welded and fixed that. The whole car been resprayed and cleared. Whole thing been resprayed and cleared. If you can see now, the doors, everything matching. It's been blended in good. Everything is looking good. All the way. Front end been redone, cleaned up good, re-cleared. I gotta get some air in that tire, that's why I look like that. But, look at that, y'all. No wet sand, no buff, straight out the gun. So I'm gonna wet sand and buff it, get it right. See the doors, everything perfect. Everything been redone. So she fresh now. There's the mirrors. Mirrors and the tail. Both parts been redone. Everything's matching. Looking good. I just gotta put it back together. So we're gonna work that out when we get to the shop. I gotta get some air in one of the tires, so Once I get that squared away, we good to go. But y'all see it. Another fine job from my man Matt here at Mars Auto Body. Man, he doing all kinds of stuff, y'all. You got this Lex here, that GMC, you got a Challenger right there, Camaro. I mean, he do all kinds of stuff. Stuff on the inside of the shop as well. So, but shoot, he got me looking good, y'all. Everything blended good, everything matching up good. We good. Good. Still got my black around the logo. No change on that. All right, we good. Anyway, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I got some more at the shop here. All right, YouTube, here we go. Let me clean this off. All right, family. So we got the whole thing. He said he ended up dusting the whole car all over again, blending everything. I step back, you can see how even it is now, paint-wise. Fixed everything I've been dealing with the other guy. Even with the trunk, like I showed y'all already. Fixed all of the issues on the trunk. Got me back to my regular, just the lock on here. See how everything is looking nice and evenly painted. So, now I just gotta take care of this bad boy. Y'all see it. Y'all see how she looking. Now I just gotta get her wet sanded down, or at least try to get there's a couple nibs on the hood. He said some stuff spit out the gun when he was doing it, so he flowed it out. He flow coated it after he had painted it again. So she good to go. Shoot, we ain't got no issues. Get it to the shop, get it cleaned up, get it ready. I'm gonna get everything polished up before I get ready to put everything back on the car, and just shoot, make sure everything's good. Let me double check all of my T-tops, because he redid my T-top too. I had an issue from it sitting in the trunk right there. It was all scarred up, so he fixed all that for me. So pretty much everything that I was having issues with been fixed on the car. So now I just got to do my due diligence to take care of it now, because I ain't spending no more money on this thing painted no time soon. She painted, she good. So we get her cleaned up, get the stripes, get everything, chrome, everything back on it. And shoot, we in the money and we ready to go. So let me get this thing strapped down. I got a tire that go flat fast on the passenger side. So let me get it strapped down, get it back to the shop, get it off, and shoot, if I got some more, I'll hit you back. But we in the money. We got Patience back. Patience good. She blended good. She's matching everything good with her. So shoot, we good. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I got some more. All right, this CJ Detail Guy. Gone.